Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Pranita. In today's video, we are going to learn build in string function in MySQL without creating any tables. String functions are predefined functions provided by MySQL that are be used to manipulate and process text data. These functions are very useful when working the names, address, email, password and any other text values. Let's understand each function one by one using the queries. So first, there are so many functions will be present in string function. First is a concat, second is a concat vs length, character length, uppercase, lowercase, substring, left, right, trim, replace and reverse. These are the most important string function these are the most important function in string function. So let's start with open workbench. Let's connect your local host and create a new MySQL file. First function is a upper function. Upper function. Basically, the upper function converts all characters of a string into a uppercase letter. So select in bracket, sorry, upper in bracket any string. So take with Pranita and the last semicolon is most important. So here uppercase, here all small letters are converted into capital letters. So another one example, select upper in single inverted comma hello. All strings are lowercase. So uppercase is converted to hello in all capital letters. Is it clear? Second one is a lower. The lower function converts all characters into lowercase letter. Select lower in bracket. Take with Pranita. Execute this command. So see here, take with Pranita, all letters or all words converted into lowercase. So all capital letters are converted into small letter. Take another one example in lowercase. Hello. See, H is a capital. So lower is converted into lower is a converted into small letter. So here hello is print in lowercase. Then third one, length. The length function return the all total number of character in a string. मतलब जितने भी कैरेक्टर आपके स्ट्रिंग में प्रेजेंट होंगे तो उसका वो काउंट आपको रिटर्न करेगा. Select length in bracket take with Pranita. Select and execute this command. Sorry, 1 second. So see here, 15 keywords can be present in length. In MySQL counts the total numbers of characters present in the string. So 15 characters will be present in the string. Fourth one is a concat. The concat function combine two or more string into a one string. मतलब आपके पास एक या उससे ज़्यादा जो भी स्ट्रिंग्स है तो उनको एक साथ जोड़ने का काम करता है. सिलेक्ट concat bracket take, this is one string, second string is with, and third string is Pranita. So मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, टेक विथ प्रणीता, तो मैंने ये तीन वर्ड्स को अलग अलग स्ट्रिंग में डाला है. तो कॉन्कैट क्या करेगा, इसको एक साथ जोड़ने का ट्राई करेगा, इसको एक साथ जोड़ता है. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो टेक विथ प्रणीता इन सिंगल वर्ड या इन सिंगल स्ट्रिंग. सो ऑल स्ट्रिंग्स आर joined together into a single string. Fifth one is a substring. Substring. This substring function extract a part of a string. So select substring in bracket take with Pranita. Let's see here. 1,4. Okay. Let's select and execute. So 1 to 4 take word is present. So 1 is equal to starting position and 4 is equal to number of character to extract. Means एक से लेकर 4 तक जो जितने भी वर्ड्स इसमें आते हैं तो सबस्ट्रिंग में वो क्या करेगा, आपको प्रेजेंट करेगा. तो मैंने यहाँ पे रेंज दी हुई है 1,4. तो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे है टी, सेकंड पोजीशन पे ई, थर्ड पोजीशन पे है सी और फोर्थ पोजीशन पे एच. तो यहाँ पे प्रिंट हुआ है टेक. इज इट करेक्ट? So MySQL returns first 4 character. Second one is a replace. The replace function replace one words or characters with another words. Select replace in bracket I love my SQL, comma MySQL, comma database. Check I love my SQL. तो हम क्या करेंगे, जो MySQL वर्ड्स है उसको रिप्लेस करेंगे डेटाबेस से. So see, I love database. Is it correct? So next is so the word MySQL is replaced with the database. Seventh function is trim function. The trim function remove extract spaces from the beginning and end of the string. Let's see. Select trim in bracket Tech with Pranita, bracket is completed. Okay. Okay. अननेसेसरी स्पेसेस आर रिमूव. तो यहाँ पे मैंने जो अननेसेसरी स्पेसेस दिए हैं तो उसने क्या किया है, उसको रिमूव किया है. 7 function is trim and 8 function is reverse. Reverse function. So reverse function reverse the string, select reverse, take with Pranita. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो टेक विथ प्रणीता को उसने पूरा रिवर्स किया है. दिस कैरेक्टर्स आर डिस्प्ले इन दी रिवर्स ऑर्डर. 9 function is left, select left in bracket, take with Pranita, कॉमा. हमें लेफ्ट से कितने वर्ड्स चाहिए, तो मुझे 6 वर्ड्स चाहिए. Okay. Take with take vi. So 6 words can be displayed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, is it correct? Then next 10 number function is write, select write in bracket, take with Pranita, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीटेड, लास्ट सेमीकोलन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो मुझे लेफ्ट से सॉरी राइट से कितने वर्ड्स चाहिए, तो मुझे 5 वर्ड्स चाहिए. तो नंबर विल बी टाइप हियर. Okay, Anita will be present. So the last 7, so last 5 character will be written. So these 10 functions can be most important in string function. So today's we learned the most commonly used built-in functions. String function in MySQL. First is upper, second one lowercase, third is a length function, fourth is a concat, then substring, replace, string, reverse, left and right. This function has helps us manipulate text data quickly and efficiently without creating any tables. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Tech with Pranita. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.